Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Oh, this is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. And I can't believe how cold it is in Florida today. But anyway, my good friend Thomas, who I've known for years, he's supported my channel for years, and has always given me information about things that might be interesting, sent me an email the other day about this book on Amazon on the KIWISDR website. Now, I've shown you the KIWISDR website several times. Is where you can go via your computer through the internet and connect to hundreds and hundreds of radios that are connected to the internet all over the world. Like here's, you can see right here, here's a little map of all the radios. I've shown you this before. Well, this book explains the history of this KIWISDR network, a little bit about SDRs, and some detailed information of how to use the software that's online. Now, I don't have it up right now, but I'll bring it up, and I'll type KIWISDR. Kiwi, I thought it would come up right away, but it didn't. SDR map, there we go. And it's right there. And it didn't show me the map. Okay, this is the listing. That's one way to look at it. And you can search and you can select a band. And then here's the map, which I prefer, because I like to find stations in a certain area in the country. And then you can zoom in. And I zoomed in right into the water. Okay, where's some places not in the middle of the water? Let me zoom back out. Okay, there we go. So like, you know, if I want to listen to a radio station that's over in Europe and I can't receive it on my radio here in Clearwater, Florida, I can use one of these local radios. So I've shown you this, okay? Going back to the book. Yeah, there's the book. If you are a Kindle Unlimited, I'll call it book club member, where you can check out books for free, 10 books a month for free, and then you have to give one back, and you can, you know, check out as many as you want to anytime. It's just you're going to only have 10 out at a time. Well, it's for free if you're a member of that. It costs $9.95 a month to be a member. Or you can buy the book, a paperback copy, for $7.50, or for this online version, it's for $5.49. So very expensive. It has 93 pages. It's written in English. Published just last September. And we can look inside and see a little bit of it. Anybody can do this. There's the introduction. It shows you the map view, history of KIWISDR, the kinds of SDRs they use. This is a flex radio. A lot of valuable information about the system and equipment, and then talks about the various broadcast listing, utilities listing. I've got the book, of course, and I've gone through all the book, and it looks like it's well worth the money. And I want to thank Thomas for telling us about this. So you can go to, if you are, like I say, a member of the Kindle Unlimited book group, I'll call it, you can read this for free. If you're not, you can buy it. And if you buy it by using my store, the link of which is in each of the descriptions below each of my videos, then I get a small commission. I get maybe, let's see, I get like 4% of $5. Not a whole lot, but yeah, it helps. You know, I use that money to buy things to review on my show. Matter of fact, I just bought another little radio that I'm going to show you in a couple of days. I should get it in a couple of days. AM, FM, shortwave, and it has 18 shortwave bands. I'm interested to see what that's about. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.